made it to Denver. Actually, made it yesterday, but got in at like 6 p.m. just before the game. You can see like the skyline of Denver. I'm like downtown. I'm staying downtown, which is a really nice spot. This vlog might be shorter though, because I was at the game last night, and let me tell you, it was a pretty boring game. Like, it was a 2-1 win from the road team in Colorado. Jeez. The Avs can't play hockey right now. It's just awful to watch. 2-1 game, nothing going on. It's kind of sad though, because Pepsi Center was looking sharp. It's really a beautiful arena. It's in a nice location downtown Denver, and Denver is a really nice city. I mean, it's just walkable everywhere. There's a bunch of nice little shops to visit. It's a great city to walk in, and I love walking, and it's great weather and everything. So it really sucks that the game was terrible last night. It was probably the worst game of the trip. I mean, it was the worst game. Only 3 goals, 2-1 win from the road. I mean, all those factors combined made the game terrible last night, and the lowest attendance by far. I mean, I don't even know if it was halfway full. I'll try to make up for it in showing you downtown Denver a little bit. But yeah, I had a blast in Denver. I got a nice little Airbnb spot right downtown Denver, which was nice. Allows me to walk around the city a lot and explore, and meet some great people. So yeah, Denver, I had fun. It really sucks that the game was horrible. But hey, halfway through the trip so far, this is the halfway point. I'm gonna start, building my list of what's been good, what's been bad. But thank you for being there, by the way. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe down below, because you might be missing like on a really cool video. So thank you guys for watching. 15 down, 15 more to go, halfway through. And on that note, you guys take care, and I'll see you in Phoenix.